Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is Sir Alamgir. I am from PHYSIOLOGY third semester. Today I am here to discuss about a topic that is physiology of photosynthesis. Here are some contents which we discuss: definition of photosynthesis, importance of photosynthesis, sites of photosynthesis, why are plant green, cyclic photophosphorylation, non-cyclic photophosphorylation, and in the last conclusion. So, is the definition of photosynthesis. It is the process by which autotrophic organisms use light energy to make sugar and oxygen gas from carbon dioxide and water. It occurs in plant, algae, and some prokaryotes, anabolic, stored as carbohydrate in their bodies. Importance of photosynthesis. Photosynthesis and the ecosystem. The energy produced by photosynthesis forms the basis of virtually all terrestrial and aquatic food chain. As a result, photosynthesis is the ultimate source of carbon in the organic molecules found in most organisms. The high oxygen concentration in the atmosphere is derived directly from the light reactions of photosynthesis. Prior to the evolution of photosynthesis on Earth, the atmosphere was anoxic. Photosynthesis and carbon dioxide removal. It converts carbon dioxide into oxygen. During photosynthesis, carbon dioxide leaves the atmosphere and enters the plant and leaves as oxygen, a process which is ecologically and environmentally important in nature. Photosynthesis and side products. Solar energy transformed by photosynthesis is the source of countless vegetable, animal, and organic side products. Wood is a very important material used as fuel and in many fields, including construction. Paper, cotton, and other natural fiber consist of cellulose produced almost entirely by photosynthesizing plants. Sites of photosynthesis. Photosynthesis occur in chloroplast organelles in certain plants. All green plant parts have chloroplasts and carry out photosynthesis. The leaves have the most chloroplasts. Sites of photosynthesis. A chloroplast contains stroma, a fluid, grana, stacks of thylakoids. Thylakoids contain chlorophyll. Now, what is chlorophyll? Chlorophyll is the green pigment that captures light for photosynthesis. Why are plants green? Plant cells have green chlorophyll. The thylakoid membrane of the chloroplast is impregnated with photosynthesis pigments. Light dependent stage take place in thylakoids, contain chlorophyll, requires light, converts light energy into chemical energy. Light independent reaction depends on the end products of light dependent reaction. Light independent reaction, also known as Calvin cycle, take place in the stroma of the chloroplast. No need of light but need end product of light dependent reduced NADP and ATP to produce simple sugars. Need an enzyme RUBISCO and carbon dioxide. Here is the diagram of light independent reaction. Cyclic phosphorylation involves only photosystem 1 and end product is ATP only. Non-cyclic photophosphorylation involves two photosystems and these photosystem contains chlorophyll A, B and as well as acidic pigments. The flow of electron is non-cyclic, uses the photolysis of water, and products are reduced NADP, ATP, and O2. Here is the diagram of non-cyclic photophosphorylation. Factors affecting photosynthesis. The main factors are light intensity, carbon dioxide concentration, temperature, wavelength, and water supply. Light intensity. The rate of photosynthesis would go up as intensity is increased. Carbon dioxide concentration. As carbon dioxide concentration rises, the rate at which the sugars are made by the light independent reactions increases. In the atmosphere, the concentration of carbon dioxide ranges from 0.03 to 0.04%. Temperature. The temperature has an effect on the rate of photosynthesis. As temperature is around 0 degrees centigrade, the enzymes stop working, and at very high temperature, the enzymes are denatured. Water is an essential factor in photosynthesis. The lack of water not only causes the plant to wilt but also limits the quantity of carbon dioxide. Wavelength. Only certain colors are absorbed. The more color that is absorbed, the more light that is absorbed, which will lead to the more photosynthesis and eventually more ATP. Photosynthesis depends upon the absorption of light by pigments in the leaves of plants, and the most important of these is chlorophyll A. Artificial photosynthesis. It is the chemical process that replicates the natural process of photosynthesis using nanostructures. Artificial photosynthesis on a large industrial scale could reverse global warming since the process consumes carbon dioxide and releases oxygen. Conclusion. All plants and animals are dependent on the sun for energy. Man, like other animals, is dependent on the plants for his food. No photosynthesis is equal to no life.